6 powerful reasons for drinking cinnamon tea every day. Drinking cinnamon tea every day can have numerous positive effects on your health. Cinnamon, often referred to as a super spice, is known for its unique properties and various health benefits. There are two main types of cinnamon, Ceylon and cassia, with Ceylon cinnamon being the preferred choice due to its lower coumarin content, which can be harmful in large quantities. 1. Blood sugar regulation. Cinnamon helps regulate blood sugar levels, making it beneficial for those with type 2 diabetes. 2. Antibacterial, antiviral, and antifungal properties. Cinnamon has the ability to combat infections and inhibit the growth of certain bacteria and fungi. 3. Digestive relief. Cinnamon stimulates appetite, aids digestion, and relieves gas and bloating. 4. Menstrual pain relief. Cinnamon can help alleviate menstrual pain and promote menstrual flow. 5. Cardiovascular health. Cinnamon helps lower cholesterol, reduce triglycerides, regulate blood pressure, and stabilize blood sugar levels, reducing the risk of cardiovascular diseases. 6. Neurodegenerative disease prevention. Emerging research suggests that cinnamon may help ward off neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's and Parkinson's. To prepare cinnamon tea, you can make an infusion or decoction using Ceylon cinnamon. It's important to consume cinnamon responsibly and consult a healthcare professional if you plan to use it medicinally, especially if you have existing health conditions or take medications. Cinnamon has a long history of culinary and medicinal use, making it a valuable addition to your daily routine. Remember to use Ceylon cinnamon for its health benefits and consider its potential interactions with medications. Drinking 1 to 2 cups of cinnamon tea daily can provide you with these health benefits while minimizing potential side effects. Always prioritize safety and consult with a healthcare provider if you have concerns about cinnamon consumption during pregnancy or while breastfeeding. Like, share, and subscribe for more health-related educational videos.